Archival convoy logs confirm a civilian Citroën Traction Avant lost during the 1939 evacuation window.
Salvage rights confirmed under international recovery statutes. Operations may proceed.
Target rests at 240 feet, 15-degree list, structure consistent with the Traction Avant.
Depth confirmed at 240.
Maintain PPO2 discipline and adhere strictly to bottom time.
Visual contact established. Heavy barnacle coverage across roof and doors. Frame weakened but continuous. No catastrophic collapse detected. 4 viable rigging points identified. Buoyancy assist will be required. 4 viable rigging points identified. Buoyancy assist will be required.
ROV confirms diver assessment. Rear axle compromised but stable for lift.
This vehicle warrants full recovery. Its historical integrity remains viable.
Forward lift straps seated. Load distribution within tolerance.
Stability frame holding. No additional deformation observed.
Buoyancy at 60%. Vehicle weight neutralizing as planned.
All stations confirm. Initiating controlled lift sequence.
Seabed separation achieved. No resistance detected. Tension balanced. No oscillation detected.
Vehicle clear of water. Maintain lift rate.
Load secured. Recovery phase complete.
Preservation potential exceeds expectations.
All dive operations concluded safely. Proceed to decontamination phase. Align over drainage grid. Maintain slow movement.
Surface rinse initiated. Salt and loose growth flushing as expected.
Growth density highest along lower body panels.
Underside flushing complete. No high pressure application used.
Neutralization layer applied to stabilize chloride activity.
Secondary rinse complete. Surface salts reduced.
Inhibitor layer applied for transport protection.
Drying stabilized. No surface cracking observed.
Key structural features now clearly identifiable.
Surface decontamination complete. Vehicle ready for long-term desalination.
Lift points verified. Proceed on my signal.
Transport phase initiated. Documentation complete. Vertical lift stable. Maintain slow travel.
Supports aligned. Load evenly distributed.
Structural geometry remains consistent with 1939 production.
Full exterior geometry captured at sub-millimeter resolution. Sampling points selected to preserve structural integrity.
low-carbon steel consistent with late 1930s French automotive production.
Construction details match early 1939 Traction Avant specifications. Interior structures present, but require full stabilization before disassembly.
Original routing identifiable despite complete insulation failure.
Assessment confirms full restoration feasibility with strict conservation controls.
Catalog system active. Disassembly will proceed in original assembly order. Slotted fasteners intact. Removing with period correct drivers.
Interior baseline recorded prior to extraction.
Interior components extracted without structural disturbance.
Harness routing preserved for accurate replication.
Harness routing preserved for accurate replication.
Residual fluids documented and contained. Powertrain free. Maintain steady lift. Suspension geometry recorded prior to removal. Panels separated without seam distortion. Classification complete, pending material confirmation. Cleaning stations calibrated. Begin with non-ferrous components. Cleaning stations calibrated. Begin with non-ferrous components. Ultrasonic cycle effective. Corrosion residue releasing evenly. Degreasing cycle initiated. Cast integrity will be evaluated after cleaning. No visible block cracking. Wear within recoverable limits. Exterior cleaned. Ready for internal teardown. Surface scale removed. Base metal intact. Surface scale removed. Base metal intact. Conversion reaction uniform across treated areas. Majority of components recoverable with reinforcement. Majority of components recoverable with reinforcement.
Material integrity sufficient for controlled restoration.
Proceed with controlled corrosion treatment on all structural steel.
Active corrosion dissolving uniformly.
Active corrosion dissolving uniformly. Chemical residues neutralized. Surface stable. Surface reduced to clean base metal. Surface profile consistent and ready for protection. Epoxy layer sealed. Corrosion protection initiated. Chassis protection complete. Internal cavities fully sealed. Internal cavities fully sealed.
Thickness loss within acceptable limits. Metal stabilized.
Proceed with precision fabrication to original 1939 specifications.
Tool paths set for rough shaping only. Final finish will be hand-corrected. Rough dimensions achieved within 2000 tolerance.
Dimensions confirmed. Ready for hand finishing.
Panel curvature matches factory stamping profile.
Weld profile consistent with period production.
Modern machining erased. Surface now period authentic.
Modern machining erased. Surface now period authentic.
Fit within tolerance. Minor edge correction required.
Fabrication matches original Citroën production geometry.
Fabrication complete. Proceed to mechanical rebuilding.
Mechanical rebuilding may proceed to original 1939 specifications.
Clearances verified. Assembly can begin.
Rotation smooth. Bearing preload within specification.
Valve timing set. Head secured to spec.
Third gear synchro worn beyond service limit.
Gear mesh verified. Transmission ready for installation. Gear mesh verified. Transmission ready for installation.
Suspension geometry restored to original configuration.
6-volt system continuity confirmed.
Mechanical rebuilding complete. Proceed to finishing and presentation phases.
Original paint layer identified beneath corrosion strata. Color match achieved within historical tolerance.
Surface ready for paint application. Boost parameters set for historical finish. Base coat coverage complete. Base coat coverage complete. Trim seated flush. No surface stress.
Steering neutral. Alignment feels correct.